MSNBC.
Things are up. Things are looking good. Let's find out where they may be going from here. Joining us now, Edward Allenson, Portfolio Manager at the Mellon Growth Funds. Edward, thanks for being with us.
Hi, Mark.
So is this a massive short covering rally that is suckering in the optimists?
Well, we're actually cautiously optimistic. We think that, the 10 Fed rate cuts, lower oil prices, and, really a very resilient consumer is going to keep us moving towards a recovery. So we're actually positioned for a recovery in the markets.
Is this a broad-based recovery, you think? Will it, for example, lift tech, energy, and everything else?
Well, I think what tends to move first when you get a recovery are the cyclical companies. Tech is one of those areas that's cyclical. Basic materials, some of the consumer areas, really the ones that have been battered down so badly over the last 18 months.
Edward, Jerry Castellini, what's your take? You mentioned the tech area, and one of the concerns people have is that you're really not seeing a lot of earnings visibility. It's just a lack of any further erosion. Have you guys increased your tech weightings, and where are you right now, and where do you want to be?
Sure. We're overweight against our benchmarks in technology, and the reality is that, as you come out of any bear market, there is no visibility. That's the nature of the markets. The markets are a leading indicator, and you normally move well in advance of really firm conviction that the recovery is in place.
What do you like, Edward? Quickly, because we're almost out of time.
Well, I am in charge of the international group, so a couple of companies that I like are one, Flextronic, which is actually a Singapore-based EMS company. They are part of this outsourcing trend. What they do is they manufacture the Xbox for Microsoft. They do all of Ericsson's cellular handsets. Basically, they're the ones who build things, and we think that trend is going to really grow over time. It's a long-term secular trend, and these guys are the second largest in that space. We like Honda, which has got a fabulous lineup of models. They are gaining market share, and they're not discounting by offering low or zero financing like the U.S. guys are. They're not giving away all their profits.
All right, Edward, we have to leave it there. I'm sorry. We're
no problem.
A little short of time, but we'll make a note. Edward Allenson, Portfolio Manager, Mellon Growth Funds. The NASDAQ has now crossed above 2,000. That's the first time we've been above 2,000 since August 8th. The Dow is 33 points away from 10,000.